This is the Alphacool Eisdecke dual D5 pump top. And what this pump top is designed to do is to work with two D5 pumps running in series to have a central location for an in and an out port in your water cooling loop. The pump top is available in two different versions. This is the plexi, but they also have a brass version as well. As you can see, it's powder coated black, but the internals are all brass. But there is no LED strips like there are on the plexi. The plexi does come with 12 volt RGB 4-pin RGB strips that are pretty much standard for most RGB setups now, so you can tie that into your controller. But on top of the D5 version, you also have the DCLT and the DDC pump top. Both of these are available in powder-coated brass or in plexi, regardless of which pump version that you need. So what we're going to do today is we're going to take this plexi pump top and we're going to mount two D5 pumps in the back here and show you how to do it. Now the process will be the same for the DDC pumps and the DCLT pump. Included in the kit is everything that you see here. Everything from the stand supports to the G1/4 stop plugs are included inside of the kit. You have your different M4 screws to allow you to mount the pump securely to the pump top. You also have your shorter M3 screws that allow you to screw into the side to fasten the stand support to the side. So what we're going to first start off is going to install the D5 pump right here, and there should be an O-ring that comes with your D5 pump that you will lay down on the inside here and then set the pump inside. So now that we have the D5 pumps mounted to the pump top, what we're going to do is attach the support legs to the side. Now these legs have a bunch of different slots in them for you to be able to mount this D5 pump either vertically at a 45. I'm pretty sure you can even do it straight up and down just like this. But the bracket itself actually fits around the G1/4 threading right there. So if you do want to use this as the in or the out port, you can, provided you use these support struts. So what we're going to do then is now add them in using the remainder of the screws and add that into the sides here. So now the DDC pump top installation is almost identical when it comes to the D5 pumps. The only difference is that you'll have less screws because the mounting is a little bit different for the DDC pumps. So simply what we're going to do is take the mounting hardware that you see here and two of the DDC pumps that I have one right here and another one. What we will do is we will show you how to install the DDC pumps onto this pump top. Last but not least, you have the dual DCLT pump top. This is obviously the plexi version, as you can see through it, but it comes with its LED strip, just like the other plexi version, and comes with all of the mounting hardware that you see here, as well as your stop plugs and your mounting supports. However, it only comes with 4 screws to mount the pumps to the back side, because the pumps are relatively small in comparison to the other size pumps. They only require 2 screws. A simple note though, the DCLT pumps, when you order the pump itself, comes with an O-ring, and you have to use the O-ring that is included with the pump. That's same with the LT version and the D5 version as well. So that's the Alphacool Eisdecke dual pump top. This one is for the D5, this is for the DDC, and this is for the DCLT. One thing to note is that these legs that you have on the side here can be mounted in a multiple variety of ways. You have holes that are along the top and the sides and the back of these pump tops that allow you to do different mounting capabilities, whether it be straight up and down at a 45, or if you're supporting it maybe from the front and the back rather than the sides. So these pump tops offer a wide range of capabilities and give you many options when it comes to adding into your water cooling builds.